Halfback Robert Louis passed a fitness test and was a late inclusion at Ray Thompson's expense as North Queensland looked to make it 6 wins against Sydney Roosters from 7 clashes. The Eastern Suburbs club arrived on a 4-match winning streak, and in the opening minutes, Daniel Tupou charged for the corner but was foiled by Ashley Graham.
Giving it to Jennings, Daniel Tupou for the corner, taken into touch by Louis and Graham, who've saved a try.
Luke O'Donnell renewed acquaintances with his former Cowboys teammates.
Oh, now Luke O'Donnell lunging with his head at Tamo. These two have been at it from the opening tackle.
Tarek Sims zeroed in on Mitchell Pearce.
Oh, coming out of the line. He wore a shot from Tarek Sims.
In rainy conditions midway through the half, Pearce popped a pass up for his captain.
Minicello scores the try. The Roosters are in.
Minicello was called to clean up when Jonathan Thurston put one on his slipper before the Cowboys playmaker was foiled by Tupou's tip-over like a goalie. In his second game of the season, Louis made his mark.
Louis reaching out. They fell for the dummy. And the Cowboys have their first here tonight.
At half-time, Sydney Roosters 6, North Queensland 4. Soon after the resumption, Roger Tuivasa-Sheck hit high gear to give the Roosters excellent field position.
Skipping around him, getting past Winterstein. Pearce is looming up. Williams is there. Bowen is chasing. Winterstein from behind. It might have been touched by the Cowboys, and the Roosters will have it.
Thurston levelled the scores at 6 with a penalty goal. Then when James Maloney held on to Dallas Johnson for too long, Thurston had a sitter to make it 8-6.
Cowboys have the lead for the first time.
The Roosters' reply was swift when Pearce delivered his second try pass.
Players in motion, what a ball! A lovely pass for Mitch Orbison, and the Roosters are back in front.
Sonny Bill Williams and Minicello almost put the Roosters away with another.
Back on the inside, Minicello, what a kick! Tuivasa-Sheck! It's a long way from the ground when he makes contact with it. Well, he can't avoid that.
The Cowboys kept under the Roosters' season average of conceding just 10 points per game, with Ashley Graham narrowly missing out on levelling the match right on the siren. Full-time Sydney Roosters 12, North Queensland 8. Charles Christian, NRL.com.